Hey, what's up everyone? Today I want to give you an up-close look at the Level 8 carry-on suitcase. This thing is kind of like the Ferrari of suitcases. There's a bunch of really good features I want to show you on it. So let's go ahead and take a close-up look. It's got a lot of the same features as normal, but everything's just done a little bit better. This moves with incredible ease, has multiple different height options. So let's see, the first one's right there, then right there, then right there, and it can even go higher right there. Zoom out for you. So that's about standard right there, but the multiple height options is nice to have. It closes super easy. You've got a carrying handle right here. This is cool. It has a TSA keyhole right here, and then for you have an actual code right here to actually unlock your suitcase, so nobody is going to get in it, and these zipper pieces just actually go into that spot right there. They go into these little slits. So let's open it up. I guess another thing real quick while we got it here, the rolling, it is super smooth. Nice quality wheels. They aren't going to get torn up super easily. They feel to be pretty durable material. The whole kind of look of the case is nice and clean. You just have a real small logo on the wheels there. Also have a side carry handle right there, which is nice to see. Let's open it up and take a look inside here. That's probably the most important aspect. So the first thing you'll notice is that you have zipped up sections on both sides. So once you put clothes in there, get them situated and then close it up, they're not just going to be flipping and flopping all over the place. These are high quality zippers too. On this side, we just have one big section right here. It looks like you can actually, and I missed this on my first look around, potentially unzip this to get behind, but I'm not seeing where the actual zipper itself is. So that side is just one big section. Over here, we have a couple individual pockets, so you can put like electronics or whatever else in these two pockets right here. And then similar to the other side, we have another full-size zip-up section right here for even more storage. And this is the flat bottom side. The downside with this side is you can feel those metal support bars underneath there. So pretty simple, but everything about it is done very cleverly and with high quality materials, so it feels and looks like a pretty luxury suitcase. I will have links for it down below, guys, if you're interested. They help out the channel, so definitely check it out. Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site, the coupon will auto apply, click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.